Huge increase. Now, the question is, did the extreme environment cause that overgrowth, or was there maybe a slight imbalance already that made him more susceptible under stress?
But either way, it just hammers home how central the microbiota is to getting sick, to adapting to your whole metabolism.
Absolutely. And speaking of metabolism, let's talk lactate.
Lactate, the stuff that makes your legs burn and seize up, right? The waste product.
Well, that's the classic view. And yes, producing lactic acid during, say, a sprint lowers pH and affects muscle function. That's where the whole lactate threshold idea comes from.
We use lactate levels to gauge training intensity, recovery needed. That's standard practice.
It is. But the new thinking, the really revolutionary part, is that lactate isn't just waste. It's actually a signaling molecule, and it's fuel.
Fuel? For what?
For other cells, especially slow-twitch muscle fibers. And get this, for certain gut bacteria too, like the lactobacillus and bifidobacteria we mentioned.
The gut bacteria eat lactate.
Some of them do, and they turn it into butyrate, which, as we said, is an energy source itself, provides maybe 20% of our energy from those short-chain fatty acids. So having a good population of those bacteria actually helps you recycle lactate and boost performance.
Okay, mine's slightly blown. Is there data on Kilian showing this in action?
Oh yeah, UTMB 2022, Ultra Trail du Mont Blanc, at kilometer 150. That's after like 17 hours of running. His blood lactate measured 19.9 millimoles per liter.
19.9. Isn't that what you'd see in a sprinter collapsing after a 400-meter race?
It's an insanely high level for that duration. But what did Kilian do? He launched an attack, broke away, and won the race.
He used it. His body didn't see it as poison, it saw it as fuel.
Precisely. It points to this incredible metabolic flexibility. It's not just about carbo loading. It's the ability to efficiently use everything: glycogen, fats, lactate, even ketone body.
Ketones too, while taking in carbs and producing lactate.
Apparently so. The physiologist mentioned his blood work showing high cholesterol, high triglycerides, and ketones present alongside that massive lactate level. He was tapping into multiple pathways simultaneously.
That's next level. And then he recovers and runs another intense race soon after.
A fast uphill race like Sierre and all in just 3 hours. It shows that this flexibility isn't just a race day trick. It's built from that fundamental base systemic level, including, importantly, that healthy gut microbiota we talked about.
So going back to the Alpine Connection project, did they look at his microbiota during that 19-day no animal protein effort?
They did. Analyzed fecal and oral samples, and the results were, again, pretty remarkable. Significantly higher levels, like 5 to 10 times higher than the average person of those butyrate-producing bacteria and other beneficial fermentative types. And incredible diversity overall. Plus, they found higher levels of what you might call ancestral bacteria, like Prevotella. These are linked to fermenting fiber, but they're often reduced in modern Western populations because our diets have changed, lost diversity.
It paints a picture of a really robust, resilient gut ecosystem.